Here's a popular Ford body style from the 80s. (1983) Ford regular cab short box, 4x4 as you can see. Now this particular truck has had a repaint along the way just due to age, but did not do a color change to it. This would be a 1C black original color truck, and also still with the red interior in it. Bench seat, 302 underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see this truck from every angle, you can see the underside, the interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Give you a close look up of the front bumper, fascia, grill. Paint on this shows well. Nice luster to it. It's black. You're going to find imperfections here and there in it, but take a look at the reflection of the sign off the wall, if that gives you any indication the condition of that paint. Again, it does show well. Take a look up and down it. You know how black is. It's going to show any sort of wave body work. And again, look at the reflection of the showroom behind me. So you can tell the paint has a nice luster to it. The 302 underneath the hood is paired up with air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. I believe all the components were there for the AC. May need a charge. Was not blowing cold or compressor kicking on and off, so may need a little TLC with the charge of the AC. Again, take a look up and down the passenger side here. You can also see reflection off the paint and how straight it is. So I'm trying to give you a good, fair idea how that paint is. Interior shows very well. And again, red would have been the original color. 4x4 transfer case shifter on the floor. Sliding rear glass. Take a look at the box too. It's not all beat up. Is it perfect? No. But you know how a lot of these got, if they are work trucks, farm trucks, extremely beat up back there. But this one is not. Again, very presentable. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation of this vehicle. It may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Dual exhaust with the chrome tips out each side, riding on the alloy wheels or aluminum wheels. Radial tires. Looks like there's probably 50% tread left on those. And you can see that in the still pictures. Got close-ups of the tread and what there is for rubber left, close-ups of the wheels. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Also, if you noticed up and above the wheel wells on the other side, this truck's original DSO looks like it went to Atlanta. So this started out life as a southern truck. And again, you don't see a lot of bubbling or popping coming from behind the paint or anything like that. From cab corners to bottoms of doors. I have pictures of the bottoms of the doors in the still. Again, check out that reflection. Everything appears to be good around the wheel wells, cab corners. And again, take a look for yourself. Consult with a sales associate. We do have open door policy to any third-party inspector if you can't come and look at a vehicle yourself. I do have the floor mats in now. I have pictures in the still pictures of the carpeting, so check that out. Power window truck. You can see by the switches there. Wipers worked fine. Did have those going. You can see the seats not full of rips, tears. This is just kind of the nap of the cloth, which will change from light to dark depending on how the nap of the cloth is laying. Seat's in nice shape. Let's go ahead and start it up. Check out that engine bay for you too. See, the tack works. Oil pressure gauge going up, charge going up. Nice little rumble coming out of that 302. box working. I did not get the Sony CD AM FM radio to turn on, FYI. Check out the dash. Imagine that, one that's not full of cracks for this age, or sun-baked, discolored, anything like that. Don't always see the dashes in that nice a shape on these trucks. Headliner, also in nice shape. And door cards, appears to be original door cards. Lots of times these get all faded, discolored. Alright, slip around to the back of this. Like I said, you have dual exhaust coming out each side. Little rumble coming out of that 302. Nothing too crazy. Nice sounding truck. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front. Let's pop this hood. Let's check out that engine bay. See how that looks.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's your 302. Once again, power steering, power brakes. And 302 is paired up with an automatic transmission. Here's everything is there as far as compressor, AC, may need a recharge, a little TLC. Not had the compressor kick on and off, FYI. You can see smooth running 5 liter or 302. What you'd expect out of a stock looking 1983 Ford F150 engine bay. There you go, looking for a sharp regular cab short box Ford from the 80s. Here you go, give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.